Hey guys, here are we with the E36 M3 and it's weekend. The weather is shit, yeah, but now's the only time I can do some wrenching on the car, and this week bag of goodies have arrived. So we have a new throttle cable, probably we'll start with that, some new jack pads, this nut I was missing from the ITB runners, new bushing for the airbox. Actually, this was the reason my rubber to the ITBs was broken, because this was not the factory on my car, but it's a much smaller one. I have no idea why. These are nuts for the bushing, bolt to secure the airbox, and these are some nuts that goes to the front axle to have a bit more camber. So there are a lot of things. I think I will start with the throttle pedal because that's the most important. Oh yeah, this is a relay because my window washer is not working, and I hope this will fix it. So, but let's start with the throttle cable. Okay, so here we are at the engine bay. Throttle cable should be not that difficult, I hope so, at least. So this is the throttle cable, just pull this back and pop it out. Yeah, then it is free. This rubber piece, you know how it comes out. Okay, I will leave that. For now, let's go then to the inside and free it from the throttle pedal. Okay, we are looking at the top of the throttle pedal, and this should just somehow push out. So I will try and force it a bit with some screwdriver or something, and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so it just flew out very easily. However, you notice the rubber is cracked, so yet another bushing I will have to order and exchange. Yay! Looking at the new cable, there are these two hooks that pinches the firewall, and that is what is fixing it still. So I will push these two together from the inside and just try and pull it out. Hopefully that will work. If not, I will just break these, because I will bend the old cable anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, success. It was pretty difficult. These rubber clips, well, not rubber, these plastic clips is very stiff. It took a lot of force to pop them out. So I will route the new cable and attach it to the gas pedal. Okay, now onto removing it from this assembly. I think, looking at the new one, this rubber is very soft, so it can be pushed together, but this one is rock solid. So I think this is really bad. I will have to cut this out. Then this has to be removed from the old one. It just pops out and put into the new one. And that should be it. So I will get to some cutting tool and cut this really hardened rubber off. Managed to remove it from this little clip, and actually there's a slit there on one side, so you push a screwdriver in there and you can pry it open, and then you can easily remove the cable. So I will put the new cable in now. Okay, now it's exchanged. It was pretty easy. It's nice that it's really soft rubber. Now only to adjust the pedal, and what you want to do is someone pushing down the pedal all the way, and then you adjust so that this metal part touches that nut which adjusts the ITB opening. And when you have that done, then it's finished. So I will ask somebody to kindly push the gas pedal for me. And that's all. Okay, so now the cable is adjusted so that when the pedal is pushed all the way down, this nut is just touching this upper piece, so the butterfly valves are fully open. And you see that there is an issue because this should be, I think, more like this, which means that the full throttle stop screw is not in the correct position, so I will have to adjust this. So let's go inside. Okay, so I have removed the throttle pedal. It's just one of these small clips thingies at the end. Pull it out and then you can remove it. And here is the wide open stop, and according to notice, the dimensions from the bottom to the top of the screw for the manual car should be around 62 millimeters. So I have a clipper here, it's set up to 62, and as you can see, it's way too in. Yeah. So I will screw that out and check the adjustments again. Okay, so I screwed it out as much as possible. Basically I left like 3 threads going into the holder. I don't want to risk going any lower, and it's still not 62 millimeters as the teeth says, but yeah, I cannot screw out more, so I will show you how it looks in the engine bay. So this is the final result. As you can see, there is a bit of slack left, but I cannot screw out more, so this doesn't look that bad. So I will try it out and roll with it if it's okay. So this was the cable exchange. Took much longer than expected, like 3 hours, but it's done.